every 10 minutes.
What happens when does it beep or anything?
Yeah, it's strum, so a little guitar strum.
You know, Squidward, he's been scrubbing my whiteboard with water alternatives.
50 hours in it. What? That stuff? No.
It's hard to come by.
I don't like
You know
caffeine.
the economics concept of supply and
Yes. We started last year too.
I have to supply shit. $50 in that.
Alright, so you can see that we will be continuing to read Wuthering Heights this week. Since Friday is your science exam, and presumably we won't have class because you're taking your science exam in the morning, I'll collect your journals on Thursday rather than Friday of this week. Yeah? So you only have 3 questions this week, today, tomorrow, and Wednesday, and then we'll collect those Thursday. And then so your reading for Thursday night won't be due till Monday, so if you need to study for your science exam on Thursday, you can wait and read that over the weekend. If you don't want to read it over the weekend, you can read it on Thursday night. It's up to you. Okay, so. Alright, so hopefully you will see this as good news. I intended it to be good news. I've decided that we will not have a test on Wuthering Heights. We're going to do a little mini project instead.
Oh,
What kind of project?
I'd rather have a test, Mr.
But you have a
Yes.
choice. You get to pick, and you get to be creative.
Yeah.
Okay, so coming around is
We
the
just did a
explanation
project.
of what your 3 choices are. Does everyone have one, or are they still coming around?
They're coming around.
Okay. So instead of taking a regular old-fashioned unit test, because those are boring and no fun, we're going to be doing a
Mixed
creative
CD.
project, and you'll have a choice of 3 things. Is there one on Grace's desk? Just
No.
When does Ashley get back?
Like 2 weeks.
Still? It's already been like
No,
She's been gone 2 weeks.
So she's gonna be gone,
this week and
This
next week.
this weekend
I
actually.
think so. Because she said she'd be back by the time this was due.
I hope she's not back for like a whole year.
Alright, so choice number 1, a comic book.
Bless you.
If you would like to make a comic book of the novel, it must be at least 15 pages which detail the major events of the novel. Any dialogue that your characters speak in the comic book must be taken directly from the text of the novel. This should be done in color, but if you can either hand draw it or if you want to do it on the computer, that's fine. It's up to you. Alright, option B, a board game. You must create a board game based on the novel. It must involve, in some fashion, asking trivia questions about the novel. Alright, it can't just be like spin the spinner and walk across the board. Alright, it has to somehow involve trivia about the novel. And there should be at least 15 trivia questions. You can, of course, have more than that if you would like to. And when you turn it in, it should be ready to play. There should be the board, the pieces, question cards, a list of rules as to how to play, the whole, like, shebang of how to do the game. Alright? If you don't like choice A or choice B, you can do option C, a mixed CD. Alright? You must create a mixed CD with at least 15 songs based on the relationships, setting, time period, major themes, etc. of the novel. You must actually make the CD. So, the music can be contemporary or it can be old school, I don't really care, as long as it has to do with one of the themes, characters, etc. of the novel. Yes.
You mean that we have to like make the songs? Or?
No, I mean you have to burn a CD. Yes, I don't expect you to write a CD of music. Although if you would like to compose your own music, that's fine with me. Along with the actual CD, you must turn in the list of songs and artists and a 2 to 3 sentence explanation for each song as to why you chose it. Yeah? So these will be due on Tuesday the 23rd of March, which is when you would have taken the test. And they will be worth 100 points and will count as a test grade.
Jeez.
But you won't have an actual test.
You only have like a week.
So that's 2 weeks from tomorrow. Yeah. And what? Questions about any of the options? Okay. Hey, let's clear off your desk.
Oh, we have a quiz?
Yay.
I understood almost everything. Just me.
I read like everything first day.
That's.
No, I really did. I can't really do like it.
I think we should wait for Greg. What did you do over break?
Where is Greg?
I wanted to go.
Yeah. Laptop down.
What's the date?
Today, March 8th.
It took me a while to get the letter Isabella said because I didn't know. It was like 5 pages long. The letter.
Yeah, it was like a whole chapter.
I didn't realize it.
Um,
And I was like, I don't understand. But then I saw Isabella at the end. It's like, okay. So I reread it over again. Still didn't get it. Hey, will it beep even though it's black? Will it beep even if it's black like this?
You just sit on the very top
Yeah.
to the left. There's a button. You can press that, and it'll show you the log screen. Follow the instructions and slide it. It'll come up with a little timer.
Hello. Hopefully they left you one on your desk.
I think it's on the floor.
That's fine.
The spelling count.
As long as I know what you mean. Like her emotions going from one extreme to another. Does that make sense?
Is that a movie of Wuthering Heights?
There's an old one from the 30s. And then
There's one that came out in like the early.
there's a
1990.
BBC Masterpiece Theater one from like 98.
Yeah.
Can we watch like the 30s one? If I find a copy.
If you find it. I think Mr. Landy said if we would like a copy, he would order us one.
Okay.
The one from the
But then
30s only
download
covers
it
the
first.
first half of the book.
They fly in my pocket. It's like when I'm walking to middle school.
so you don't.
We'll see. I want you to watch at least parts of both or one or the other. So. Why is there music?
It's time.
The start.
So the red button in front.
Oh, this one.
Yes.